What's up, guys? Well, I was driving by a golf course here, and I saw this turkey who's like just kind of standing on something, trying to catch its balance. Trying to keep the camera still. I'm filming my phone here. I have no idea what it's standing on. It kind of looks like another turkey, if I had to guess. But I have no idea why it's standing on it. It seems kind of strange, but I'm very curious. You can see this is just a golf tee, beginning of a hole. You can see a sand pit down there. But what is this turkey doing? It's literally standing on what looks like another turkey. So let's get a little closer and see what's going on. Oh, now he's sitting, protecting it. Oh no! What is that? What just happened here? Hey, look, I'm no expert on turkey mating, but I don't know if they're supposed to stand on each other or not. That definitely looked like a female. Just kind of stood up and, I don't know, dusted herself off and walked away. Alright, so yeah, it's been confirmed. He was standing on another turkey. And they're just acting like nothing happened. Pretty weird stuff. Anyway, thought I'd share that with you. Beautiful day out. Would be nice to go golfing. But I don't belong to this golf course, so I have to leave. Hope you have a great day. Take care.